In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your payment on Squarespace. Starting with the basics, let's head over to the Squarespace website. This will be our jumping off point. When you arrive, you'll find a login button, usually in the top right corner. Click on that to proceed. Many of us are juggling multiple accounts, so Squarespace offers a convenient way to log in using your Google account. Go ahead and select Continue with Google. You'll then see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you use for Squarespace to move forward. Once you're logged in, your journey to setting up your payment begins. Navigate to your Squarespace website from your dashboard. This will take you into the back end of your site, where all the magic happens. Now let's find the payment setup option. In the top left corner of your dashboard, you'll see a search bar. This is a quick way to navigate through Squarespace's extensive menu. Type payment into this search bar. This will narrow down your options directly to payment-related settings. After searching, click on the Payments option. This will take you to a page where Squarespace consolidates all its payment options. It's here that you can choose the method you'd like to link to your account. Squarespace supports a variety of payment methods, so select the one that best suits your needs. For most online businesses, integrating with Stripe is a popular choice. If you decide to go this route, you'll see an option to connect with Stripe. Clicking on this will redirect you to a login page for Stripe. If you already have a Stripe account, log in with your details. If not, you'll have the opportunity to create one. Stripe will ask for some information about your business and banking details to ensure you can receive payments once your account is linked. After you've entered all required information and completed any verification processes Stripe requires, your Squarespace site will be linked to your Stripe account, making it ready to accept payments. One last piece of advice. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the payment settings and options available on Squarespace, ensuring that you understand how payments will be processed and what information you might need to manage, report, or troubleshoot payments will save you time and effort down the line. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up a payment method on your Squarespace website. Whether you're selling products, services, or accepting donations, linking your payment is a crucial step towards monetizing your online presence. Remember, keeping your payment information secure and up to date is key to running a successful online platform. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Here's to your success in the digital world.